Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to provision Bootstrap ArgoCD and what are the benefits of using ArgoCD for your review applications or review environments. So first of all, if you're not aware, ArgoCD is a tool which basically allows you to deploy your containers on Kubernetes environments and help you to finish the whole CI/CD process on it. You can use ArgoCD to deploy your review applications on Kubernetes on two ways. So basically, you can do it as an application set, which is like monitoring your repository, and then you can deploy your changes and containers to Kubernetes, or you can do it via other processes as we do it. So it depends of your structure and how complicated your application and code is. In our case, because we are bootstrapping the full review environment for the whole front-end, back-end, and middleware, we must do it via static applications and use other CI processes in order to build and deploy the application. So basically, in our case, we have a manual trigger where some developer QA is requesting an environment, and then he or she needs to enter the branches for all the front-end, back-end, and middleware. And then afterwards, the environment is bootstrapped, and as a result of this bootstrapping process, you are getting the URL on which you can test all of the components of your application. What is more important to say here is that Argo and Kubernetes gives you the ability and flexibility that you can insert your data, predefined data or anonymized data from production into your environment, so you're sure that you are leveraging all the features and all the test data that you need when you're testing on your local system or your local review application. Why is this important? Because as all of us know, some of the issues that you might face on production might come from bad data or wrong data. And then if you don't have this data set available for testing, then you are in trouble. So this is what I would say the most pro for using review applications. Nevertheless, how you're bootstrapping them in order comparing to using your local development system. Why it's important to use review applications or environments instead of your local code is due to the fact that many times it can occur that some data set is the problem for the bug that is caused on production, and it is really important to have this data in your testing environment. If you're using your local system, for example with Docker Compose or whatever, for you to test the environment, you might not see this issue or this bug. So what we do is basically we are doing anonymization of our production data, export it somewhere, and then this somewhere is being EBS, and then we are taking a snapshot of the whole MySQL anonymized data. And when we are starting the review environments, we are starting from that snapshot, and with that we are sure that we always use the latest data from production for our review environments. So I must mention again that this is anonymized data. We don't see any personal information in it. It's data that contains some flags and fields for whatever you need to test.